one. This is what last class we have discussed, that is Wendel's. Okay, take it. This is Wendel's. Nothing is there, just a small change in formula. Remaining all calculations are as usual. Remaining all calculations are as usual.
सर కొద్దిగా పైకి స్క్రోల్ చేయండి.
Yes. Okay. So this is the problem. So this is the formula actually. So this should be some 6 subintervals only, not other than that. Okay. Right. Weddel's rule. And then this one. So this is the next formula. This one. And then this one. Next. A curve passing through the points given below. Next problem. This is the solution using Wendel's integral. That's all. So this is what yesterday we have discussed about numerical numbers. Today we will discuss one more problem, one more concept. One more way of method in solving numerical equation, that is Boole's integral. It is Boole's integration formula. Write it down. Okay. So next method is Boole's rule. Boole's or Boole's something little bit pronunciation. So this is in terms of when we have 4 subintervals. When we have 4 subintervals, that is x0 to x4, y dx, then integration is equals to 24 by 45 into 7y0 plus 32y1 12y2 plus 32y3 7y. That's all. Nothing is there. Now we will look at one problem. So we look at one problem so that these 5 methods are there. One is trapezoidal, Simpson 1 by 3, Simpson 3 by 8, Weddel's rule, and then this is Boole's. Okay? Okay, right. Write down a formula. So we have seen a formula. Now we will do solve for some formulas. Right. Evaluate, write down problem. Write down example here. Evaluate this is Boole's integral. Shahid, this is the first step I written here. Evaluate integral 0 to pi sin x dx. Sin x dx by Boole's rule. Take step size 5 by 4. Take step size 5 by 4. Solution. This is the formula we are using here. Boole's integral. Boole's integral. Boole's integral. Right. See, step size. A how much? 0. B is what? 5. H is what? 5 by 4. Then subintervals. Subintervals. N equals to B minus A by H. B 5 minus 0 by 5 by 4. That is 5 by 5 by 4. That means 4 subintervals you will get it. 4 subintervals you will get it. Means X will take X0, X1, X2, X3, X4. Initial A equals to 0. X0 is 0. Next, add pi by 4. Add pi by 4. 0 plus pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 2 pi by 4. Plus 1 more pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. 4 pi by 4. That is pi. So integration from 0 to pi. So x0 value from 0 to x4 value is 5. With interval. Interval h length is pi by 4. Okay. At this point, we need to find sin x. Y equals to sin x. Yesterday we already seen how to find sin 0, sin pi by 5 and all those things. Calculator తీసుకోండి. Whatever you calculated here, you will get this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. y1, y2, y3, y4. You should remember these formulas. You should remember 32, 12, 32, 7. 7, 32, 12, 32, 7. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సినదే, ఇంకా మనకు వేరే ఆప్షన్ లేదు. You just remember these formulas, these 5 formulas. First 3 are very simple, 4th one also simple, 5th one also simple, but little bit numerical digits you should be careful. Yeah, sin 0, tell me the value.
Zero.
Right, next. Sin pi by 4.
0.707. 0.7071, sir.
Pi by 4, huh?
One by root.
0.7071. Correct. Next, 2 pi by 4. 2 into pi by 4.
1, sir.
Next, 3 pi by 4. Correct. Next value. Sin 3 pi by 4.
0.7071, sir.
Next, pi. Sin pi.
0.
0. Okay, fine. Now, what is the formula? 25, 32y1, 12y2, 32y3, 7y4. 7, 32, 12, 32, 7. Right. Right. Solution. Solution. So integration 0 to pi, this is sin x dx. This is what? 24 by 45. Is it 24 by 45 into 7y0 plus next is 32y1. 32y1 plus 12y2 plus 32y3 plus 7y4. That's it. 7, 32, 12, 32, 7. Right. Substitute the values here. You will get the integration value. That's all. 24 by 25, 7y0. 7 into y0 is 0 plus 32 into y0. y1 is what? Plus 12 into plus 32 into plus 7 into 32 into what? y1 ఎంత? ఏం షాహిద్, ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? నిద్రపోతున్నావా?
సార్ మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు, వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నా సార్.
అవసరం లేదు కదా, వాళ్ళు ఎలాగో చెప్పరు కదా. ప్లస్ into
7 into 0.
Right. Next. ఇదంతా ఇదంతా ఇదంతా. ఎంత? 32 into 0.7071.
$22.6272 సార్.
ఇదే
22.6272 సార్. 32 into 0.701.
22.6272 నా?
అవును సార్.
Right. Correct. ప్లస్ 12 ఇది కూడా అంతే. 22.6272. 22.6272.
$57.2544.
57.2544
sir.
Final into 24 by 45. Sorry. This is 45. 45. Not 20. 24 by 45. Yeah. Final value ఎంత? ఎంత వాల్యూ?
30.5356.
31.22967.
అయినా 57.2544 కదా?
అవును సార్.
Into 24 divided by 45.
45. ఓకే. 44.
45. చూడు క్లియర్ గా 45.
30.5356.
568. 57 or 568. You just keep it in. That's all. These are the problems. Next one. Okay. Now I am just asking you the formulas here. So just tell me, revising the formulas here. First formula. Sorry. All integration formulas which we have in the syllabus. Numerical integration formulas. First one, trapezoidal rule. Second one, Simpson's one-third rule. Third one, Simpson's 3/8 rule. Fourth one, Weddell's rule. Fifth one, Boole's rule. ఎవరో ఫార్ములాస్ చెప్తే నేను రాస్తాను. నాకు తెలియదు ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్, నాకు రావు. If anybody says, then I will write it here. Integral x naught to xn y dx. Y is a function of x equals to
h by 2
to
y naught plus yn plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus and so on yn minus 1.
Very good. Next, Simpson's one-third rule.
Integral y into dx is h by 3 y naught plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus and so on y1 plus y3 plus y5 and so on plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus y6 and so on.
Next, Simpson's 3/8 rule. Hmm.
3/8 into
3h by 8
y naught plus yn plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 and so on plus 2 into y3 plus y6 plus y9 and so on.
Next, Weddell's rule.
3h by 10 y0 plus 5 into y1 plus y5 plus y2 plus y4 plus 6y3
y2 plus
y4
వద్దు y1 y2 y3 చెప్పు.
y3 6y3 sir.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. Boole's integral. I'm asking you Weddell's. Weddell's integral. ఇలా చెప్పు, ఇది చెప్పు. Weddell's rule సింపుల్ గా
సరే
రిమెంబరింగ్. ఇది చెప్పు.
3h by 10
3h by 10
into y0 plus y6 plus 5y1
y0 plus y6
y2 plus
5y1
plus y2
plus y2
plus 6y3
y3
plus y4 plus 5y5.
yeah. So y0 plus yn, y0 plus yn, y0 plus yn, y0 plus y6 ఎందుకంటే 6 intervals ఉన్నాయి. Specific cases 5 1 6 1 5 అలా you just remember it such a manner. Next, Boole's integral x4 y dx equals to
24 by 45
24 by 45 into
7y0
7y0
plus 32y1
plus
plus 12y2
plus
plus 32y3
plus
7y4.
yeah, just take snapshot of this formulas. These are the methods you have it. That's all. Nothing is there in integration. Okay, right. Now I will write some problems. You just solve. You just solve. Evaluate integral 1 to 5 x square log x dx using Boole's rule. Solution. Yeah, start the problem. n ఎంత ఇక్కడ n ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి 4 a ఎంత 1 b ఎంత 5 h ఎంత so h is 1. That means starting ఎంత 1 దీనికి ఎంత యాడ్ చేయాలి 1 1 more 1 1 1 1 to 5 1 to 5 integration x naught 1 to x power 5 y equals to x square log x. Please compute these values at these points so that we will get y1 y2 y3 y4 y5. Do it. ఎంత వాల్యూ x square into log x
0.
okay first one is 0 next
1.2041.
ఒక్క నిమిషం LOG అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకుంటున్నారు LOG తీసుకుంటున్నారా LN తీసుకుంటున్నారా LOG తీసుకుంటున్నారా LN తీసుకుంటున్నారా
LOG తీసుకున్నాం
ఒక్క నిమిషం చెప్తాను ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు LOG తీసుకున్నారా రైట్ సరే చెప్పండి ఎంతనో చెప్పండి x square into log x ఎంత చెప్పండి
1.2041.
వెరీ గుడ్ నెక్స్ట్ 3 కి ఎంత
4.2941. 4.2941.
ఓకే కరెక్ట్ నెక్స్ట్
9.6330.
వెరీ గుడ్ ఇప్పుడు లైన్ లోకి వచ్చాడు కాదు నెక్స్ట్ square log x x plus లో 5 substitute చేయండి
17.4743.
very good substitute in our formula that's all see Boole's integral అన్నాడు h ఎంతనో చెప్పలేదు n ఎంతనో చెప్పలేదు you take n equals to 4 by default that's all take n equals to 4 by default nothing else now tell me the formula and substitute it. Integral x naught equals to 1 to x4 equals to 5 x square log x dx equals to 24 by 45 7 by 0 plus 32 by 1 plus 12 by 2 plus 32 by 3 plus 7 by 4. Could you please substitute in this one? Substitute change in law 24 by 45 7 into y0 7 into 0 plus 32 into y1 1.2041 plus 12 into y2 4.2941 plus 32 into 9.6330 plus 7 into 17.4745 4743 474 yeah please .32 into enter the value 32 into 1.2041 how much is this value
38.5312
next 12 into Twelve into 4.2941
51.5298
51.52
92 sir
92. Correct. Next. 32 into 9.6330.
308.256, sir.
What's the number?
308.256.
308.256 plus. Next. Seven into 17 point
122.3201.
But next step, sum all those values. Sum all those values. Five 20.
520.365.
Right. Into
0.533, sir.
ఏమొచ్చింది?
277.66553, sir.
Right. 24 by 45.
0.533, sir.
520.6365 into 24 divided by 45.
277.6553. 6728, sir.
That is Boole's interpretation. That is that. In the next class, we will go for another topic, that is differential equation solutions through numerical approach. Differential equations through numerical approach. Okay. dy by dx మీరు సాల్వ్ చేశారు కదా. dy by dx equals to x square plus y square. dy by dx plus x square equals to sin x. అటువంటి differential equations అన్ని చేశారు కదా. Right. In the same way, we have another numerical solutions for those differential equations. Very simple kind of thing. You should have a minimum of integrations. Integration x dx, integration x square dx, integration x cube dx, all these things. Here also we may have some around 5 or 6 methods. Here also we have 5 or 6 methods. These are all iterative methods. Little bit more calculations than this one, but easy. All are squares, roots, multiplications, divided by, and all those things only, nothing else. Right. We'll meet in the next class with next differential. So meanwhile, I will provide you many more integration problems. Many more integration problems. తీసుకోవచ్చు. మీకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఉన్నవన్నైనా నేను స్క్రీన్ షాట్ మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను. అన్ని సాల్వ్ చేసేసి వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో షేర్ చేయాలి. సో అక్కడ అందరివి అలాగే ఉంటాయి. నేను మరి అన్ని రీచెక్ చేస్తూ వస్తాను, ఎవరు పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఎవరు పోస్ట్ చేయటం లేదు. ఓకే, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మొత్తం సాల్వ్ చేసేయండి. సో దట్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో మీకు ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ మీకు తెలుసు అనే ఫీలింగ్ తో ఉంటారు. సో దట్ మీకు క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ కూడా నీట్ గా చేసేస్తారు. ఓకే, విల్ సీ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్.